I decided to become a legacy donor to the foundation because I think what the foundation does is so important, I don't want its work to ever stop. I encourage you to not let the amount of your donation stand in the way of your ability to make one of the biggest differences you can ever make by contributing to our foundation and helping make the lives of our citizens day in and day out better. When I'm no longer here, I'm not going to be donating to the foundation. I won't be here to write those checks. So by making a legacy gift will allow the foundation to reinvest my funds on a continual basis to the library. And even though people will forget who Pat Wolfe was, they will still profit from my love and enthusiasm about our library.